Welcome back to my series on the body, a guide for occupants by Bill Bryson. So far, we have explored the incredible complexities of human life in Chapter 1, where we learned about the elements that make up our bodies and the sheer scale of life happening within us. In Chapter 2, we turned our attention to the skin and hair, uncovering the fascinating functions of our largest organ and its role in protecting and connecting us to the world. Today, we are diving into Chapter 3, titled Microbial You, where Bryson introduces us to the hidden world of microbes, the tiny organisms that live on and inside us. Let's get started. Chapter 3 of the body takes us into a world that is both invisible and essential, the world of microbes. These tiny organisms, bacteria, viruses, fungi, and others are everywhere. They live on our skin, in our mouths, in our guts, and even deep inside our bodies. And here is the kicker. There are more microbial cells in your body than human cells. That's right, you're more microbe than human. Bryson begins by explaining the sheer abundance of microbes in and around us. The average human body hosts about 39 trillion microbial cells compared to only 30 trillion human cells. These microbes collectively weigh about 2 pounds, roughly the same as your brain, and they are absolutely vital to your survival. Let's start with the gut microbiome, which is one of the most important microbial communities in your body. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria that help you digest food, produce vitamins like B12 and K, and even regulate your immune system. Bryson highlights how scientists are only beginning to understand just how influential these microbes are. For example, certain gut bacteria can affect your mood by producing neurotransmitters like serotonin, about 90% of which is made in your gut. But microbes aren't just confined to your gut. They are all over your skin, forming a protective barrier against harmful invaders. In fact, Bryson points out that the microbes on your skin are like an invisible army working tirelessly to keep you healthy. These microbes can even influence how wounds heal or how likely you are to develop certain skin conditions. Bryson also delves into the fascinating relationship between human and microbes. While some microbes can cause diseases like strep throat or tuberculosis, the vast majority are either harmless or beneficial. He explains how antibiotics revolutionized medicine by killing harmful bacteria, but also warns about their overuse. When you take antibiotics unnecessarily, we kill off good bacteria along with bad ones, disrupting the delicate balance of our microbiome. One particularly intriguing section of this chapter is Bryson's discussion on fecal transplants, a cutting-edge medical procedure where, believe it or not, healthy gut bacteria from one person are transferred to another person to treat conditions like Clostridium difficile infections. It sounds gross, but has proven remarkably effective in restoring a healthy microbiome. Another fascinating topic Bryson touches on is how microbes influence our individuality. No two people have exactly the same microbiome. It's shaped by factors like diet, environment, genetics, and even whether you were born via a C-section or vaginal delivery. This means that your microbiome is unique as your fingerprint. Bryson also reminds us of how little we still know about this hidden world inside us. Scientists have identified thousands of microbial species living in humans, but suspect there are many more waiting to be discovered. What's more, they are only beginning to understand how these microbes interact with each other and with the human host where they live in. In summary, Chapter 3 reveals a stunning truth. We are not just individuals, we are ecosystems. Our bodies are home to trillions of tiny organisms that play crucial roles in keeping us alive and healthy. It's humbling to realize just how much we depend on these invisible allies every day. So next time you think about cleanliness or health, remember that not all germs are bad. In fact, many are essential for life. That wraps up chapter 3. I hope you enjoyed learning about the incredible world of microbes as much as I did explaining it to you. In the next video, we will continue our journey through the body by exploring yet another fascinating chapter. In the meantime, do not forget to like this video if you found it interesting, subscribe for more deep dives into this incredible book, and share your thoughts in the comment section below. I truly appreciate your time, and I will see you next time. Thank you.